Face of affordable makeup inspired by Sabrina Carpenter. For the base, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Perfect 4-in-1 Glow. Haven't reached for this in a while, but I love this. I don't know why the sound was cut out on it, but basically it's a primer, concealer, highlighter and BB cream all in one. Concealer, I'm going in with the BPerfect. Tell I've used this a lot because none of the writing is left on it. It's a good concealer if you want a really lightweight coverage, but with full pigment. Cherie Setting Mist. Next I'm going to go in with my W7 Bronzing Drops. I used this other day as a bronzer. It actually worked out really well. It gives a very glowy sun-kissed effect. It blends out like a dream and it's full of skincare ingredients, so it makes me feel like I'm doing something good in my life. The total sense of full security. This blush by MUA is pretty much the exact same shade as the Rare Beauty and Courage. Also, I think it's got a much nicer finish, so much more pigmented. Perfect setting powder in the shade Vanilla. This one has a tiny bit of coverage, so it gives the perfect lifting effect. Under the cheekbones looks super chiseled, and then lightly set the under eye. It's one setting powder that leaves your skin with a radiant glow, doesn't make it all look dry and crusty. To finish that off, we're going to go in with Lottie London Faux Freckle Tint. I feel like this is the best way to make your makeup look super natural and then summery and glowy. These have a really watery texture, so they look really good. This Revolution Reloaded palette is going to be perfect for the eyes. I'm going to go all over with that shade. It's quite an everyday wearable kind of look. And then the inner corner needs to be blinding. I'm going to go quite heavy with this, and then I'm going to take the excess as like a little nose highlight. Maybelline Sky High and Burgundy Haze is going to complement those colours perfectly. It looks best on green or blue eyes, but I think it does a little something for brown eyes as well. I think we should be even bronzier, to be honest. Let's take something out of the MUA Golden Hour palette. A little bit of Solar 100. Deepen that contour a little bit. That looks good. Tiny bit on the tip of my nose. A little bit of Sunbeam just here. It's actually very glowy. Every time I use this lip liner, I think of Sabrina. It's the shade Lips Don't Lie by Doll Beauty, but I've linked everything down below so you can just press it. Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Ice. These two together look like the most popular lip combo. There we go. I love copying Sabrina's makeup. She is definitely a trendsetter right now. I wish I was going out